fresh delivery! A mysterious paper bag has entered the premises. For Souso, this isn't just groceries. It's a high-priority inspection. What secrets does it hold? What exotic scents does it contain? Souso's golden eyes gleam with purpose. The great grocery inspection has officially begun. First, the head dive. Straight into the bag she goes, a fluffy, furry vacuum. Muffled sniffs and enthusiastic rummaging commence. Is it safe? Is it interesting? Only Souso knows. Out pops an orange, a rogue rolling orb. Souso springs into action, batting and chasing the spherical invader across the floor, the battle of cat versus citrus. Then the meticulous quality control. Every item gets a thorough sniff, a careful paw. Is this banana up to code? Does this bread meet feline standards? Her judgment is swift and silent. Mission accomplished. The groceries have been inspected, the rolling threats neutralized. Souso, the diligent protector of perishables, has ensured the safety of her household.